What is IRS currently not collectible status? It means the IRS has decided you are not currently collectible and will temporarily leave you alone. Hi, I'm Dave Horwedel, CEO of Torchlight Tax. When you're in currently not collectible status, CNC, the government has formally determined that forcing payments from you right now would create hardship. You still owe the tax, but while you're in this status, the IRS does not issue new wage or bank levies, and any continuous wage levy that was in place should be released. How we secure CNC status. We first put your real-life income, expenses, and assets onto an IRS financial statement, Form 433. The IRS measures that income and those expenses against national and local allowable standards for food, housing, utilities, transportation, and more. If the numbers show no ability to pay after allowable expenses, and you don't have accessible equity the IRS expects you to sell or borrow against, CNC is warranted. If you get CNC status, interest and penalties continue to add on. The IRS can file or maintain a notice of federal tax lien. Don't confuse a lien with a levy. A lien secures the government's interest. A levy actually takes funds. CNC stops new levies. It does not erase an existing lien. If you're due a refund, the government keeps it and applies it to your balance until you no longer owe. Currently, not collectible status is a temporary way to get the IRS off your back. A petition to tax court and an offer in compromise are more permanent ways to get the IRS off your back. If you are eligible for CNC, you may be eligible for a permanent solution. Negotiating IRS debt is best done when your financial situation is bad. This is counterintuitive to how many people think. Some think, I am in a financial bind now, let me get some funds together so I have something to offer the IRS. I have run across many clients who were eligible for an OIC but did not apply for one. Instead, they got CNC, and when they recovered financially, they had to pay off their IRS debt in full. To sort out your best path forward, contact Torchlight Tax for a free consultation at 877-758-7797 or info@torchlighttax.com. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. For more strategies on paying less tax, protecting your assets, or settling IRS debt, visit the Torchlight Tax website and YouTube channel, where we have 400 articles and videos to give you more understanding and a way to improve your tax and financial situation. Thanks for watching.